Hello, my name's Claire Braund and I'm the Executive Director of Women on Boards in Australia, an organisation of some 25,000 and with a reach beyond that. And I am sure I speak for every single person in that network when I say I am absolutely devastated by the tragedy unfolding in front of us in Afghanistan. And I am deeply, deeply concerned about the impact on the lives of women and children, and in particular, the impact on the human rights of women. Know that others around the world are thinking of you. Know that your sisters in the West are looking with anguished eyes on what is unfolding in the streets of Kabul and across your amazing country. Know that we're thinking of you and that you are not alone. Women on Boards is going to be sending $1,000 today to an organisation called Maboba's Promise, which works solely in Afghanistan and supports children and women who are in desperate need. That group is only going to get bigger. It is only going to grow as the Taliban takes control. So please join us in supporting this organisation as we just seek to do any little bit that we can to reach out to our Afghani sisters in this really desperate time of need.